వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు ఈ క్లాసెస్. ఈనాటి మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ 2A పేపర్లోని పార్షియల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ టాపిక్కు సంబంధించి మరికొన్ని అంశాలను ఇప్పుడు తెలుసుకుందాం.
Now next example, resolve x plus 5 by x minus 1 into x square plus 1 into partial fractions. Now solution: the given proper fraction x plus 5 by x minus 1 into x square plus 1. First let x plus 5 by x minus 1 into x square plus 1 equals to a by x minus 1, but the second factor is x square plus 1. Now it is second degree factor. Then in numerator take first degree or bx plus c by x square plus 1. That the given proper fraction x plus 5 by x minus 1 into x square plus 1 equals to a by x minus 1 plus bx plus c by x square plus 1. Now taking LCM on both sides, we get x plus 5 equals to a into x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into x minus 1, bx plus c into x minus 1. Now put x equals to 1 on both sides, we get in left side 1 plus 5, 6 equals to a into 1 plus 1, bx plus c into 1 minus 1, it becomes to 0. Now 2a equals to 6, for implies a equals to 3, 2a equals to 6, a equals to 3, the value of a equals to 3. Now equating coefficients of x square on both sides, equating coefficients of x square on both sides. Now in left side there is no x square term. Now coefficient of x square is 0 in left side. In right side, a into x square, coefficient of x square is a. Next to bx into x, bx square, coefficient of x square is b. Now a plus b equals to 0, but the value of a equals to 3, b equals to, we get minus 3, b equals to minus 3. Next in the equation x plus 5 equals to a into x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into x minus 1. Now equating constant terms, equating constants on both sides. Now left side constant is 5, 5 equals to right side constant a into 1 a plus c into minus 1 minus c. Now a minus c equals to 5, but the value of a equals to 3 substitute in the equation, we get c equals to minus 2, c equals to minus 2. Therefore the required partial fractions x plus 5 by x minus 1 into x square plus 1 equals to a by x minus 1. The value of a is 3, 3 by x minus 1 plus bx plus c. The value of b is minus 3, minus 3x, c equals to minus 2 by x square plus 1, or that equals to 3 by x minus 1 minus 3x plus 2 by x square plus 1. These are the required partial fractions. Resolve x plus 1 by x square plus 1 into x square plus 2 into partial fractions. Now solution: the given proper fraction is x plus 1 by x square plus 1 into x square plus 2. X square plus 1 by x plus 1 by x square plus 1 into x square plus 2. Now let this proper fraction equals to ax plus b by x square plus 1 plus cx plus d by x square plus 2. Ax plus b by x square plus 1 plus cx plus d by x square plus 2. Now taking LCM, we get x plus 1 equals to ax plus b into x square plus 2 plus cx plus d into x square plus 1, x square plus 1. Now comparing coefficients on both sides, or coefficient of x cube on both sides equals to what is coefficient of x cube in left side is 0. 0 equals to coefficient of x cube in right side, ax into x square, ax cube. In that case, the coefficient of x cube is a. Next to cx into x square, coefficient of x cube is c. Now a plus c. Now consider it is equation 1. Equation 1. Next to equating the coefficients of x on both sides. Coefficients of x on both sides. Now first coefficients of x square take it. Now b x square, coefficient of x square b, b into x square b. Next to d into x square d, b plus d equals to, there is no x square term in left side, b plus d equals to also 0.